In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a pop-up on Google Sites. This is a helpful feature that can make your site more interactive and engaging for visitors. So grab your computer and let's get started. First off, you'll want to head over to Elfsight. You can easily find their website online. Elfsight is a great resource with a wide range of widgets that you can add to your website to enhance its functionality. Once you're on the Elfsight website, go ahead and locate the catalog section. This section gives you access to all the widgets they offer. Next, you'll want to find and click on the pop-up option within the catalog. It's labeled as a bestseller for a reason, as it's one of the most popular tools to add that interactive element to your site. Once you've selected the pop-up, you'll get a list of templates to choose from. Take a moment here to browse through the templates and select one that best fits the look and feel of your website. Remember, this choice can enhance how your visitors interact, so pick wisely. After you've selected a template, continue by clicking on Continue with this template. This choice takes you to the editor, where you can make adjustments to the pop-up according to your needs and preferences. Feel free to change the text, colors, or any other elements to make it align with your site's theme. Customizing it will make it resonate better with your audience. Once your pop-up looks fantastic, click on the Publish button. It's an essential step to make your pop-up live. If you're opting for the free version, simply click on Select. The free option often offers enough features for many websites, so it can be a good place to start. The next thing you need to do is click on Copy Code. This action copies the embed code that you need to place the pop-up on your Google site. With the code now in your clipboard, it's time to hop over to Google Sites. Open your Google site where you want to embed the pop-up. Within the Google Sites editor, you'll find an option for embed. Click on it and then choose embed code. You're almost there. Now paste the code that you copied earlier into the field provided and hit next. Finally, you'll want to click on insert. This action places the pop-up code onto your site, ensuring that the pop-up will now function as intended. And that's it, you've successfully embedded a pop-up on your Google site. Remember, interactive elements like pop-ups can significantly enhance user engagement by providing visitors with timely information or calls to action. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you make your Google site even more effective. If you have any questions or want more tips, feel free to visit Elfsight's guide or drop your queries in the comments.